Welcome to Unfold Data Science, friends. My name is Aman and I am a data scientist. If you are someone who is trying to learn the concept of data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence in simple and plain English, this is the channel for you. If you are someone who is a beginner, who is coming from some other domain or some other field, and you are trying to understand the concepts of machine learning, data science and AI in a systematic way, then this is the channel for you. My assumption on this channel is somebody who is watching the video is starting from scratch, and that is the reason I keep things very simple. If you are someone who is trying to understand what is this machine learning all about, right? People talk about machine learning, data science. What are these things? What is the meaning of machine learning? Then I have a complete playlist where you can understand how data is used for machines to learn. What is the meaning of training the machine? All these concepts I have put in a separate playlist where I explain the entire fundamental of machine learning. If you are trying to understand more about neural networks, what is deep learning, what is advanced machine learning, I have a separate playlist for you where I talk about neural network and deep learning. If you want to see how a real data science interview looks like, I have a playlist where I take interview of the candidates just like it happens in the industry. If you are someone who want to understand how should I prepare for an interview, what are the things I should take care in this online world, how I should make sure that I am well presented in the interview, I do good in an interview, I have a separate playlist for you where you can understand all the details of how to crack a job interview. If you are someone who is trying to understand about how natural language processing happens, what is a sentiment analysis, what is a social media analysis, I have a separate playlist for you on natural language processing. If you want to understand how data science applies in different industries, for example, customer analytics, for example, marketing analytics, for example, supply chain analytics, for example, manufacturing industry, I cover all these through separate videos on this channel. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and press the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and if you are a regular viewer, then please go ahead and press that bell icon so that you receive all the notification. I wish you all good luck with your learning, guys. Thank you.